Assalamu alaikum. This is Saima Jahan Silvi. My class ID is 210087. My topic is about flow control method, how does it works, sliding window flow control technique, and what are the steps of sliding window flow control. What is flow control method? Flow control method is a technique used to regulate data transfer between computers or other nodes in a network. It ensures that the transmitting device does not send more data to the receiving device than it can handle. How does it work? The receiver sends messages to the sender to acknowledge when frames have been received. The sender uses this message to determine when to send more data. If the sender doesn't receive an acknowledgement, it retransmits the data. Flow control ensures that the transmitting device does not send more data to the received device that it can handle. Sliding window flow control. Sliding window flow control is a network model technique that manages and optimizes the flow of data packets between a sender and a receiver. It uses a sliding window protocol to ensure that the receiver has enough storage space for packets and to balance the delivery of packets. Suppose we have a sender and a receiver. Sender has 7 frames to send. We suppose that the window size is 2. That means it can send 2 frames at a time. When the 2 frame is acknowledged to the receiver, it can handle the data.